avatar. This is the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Here he comes as Parshuram to save mankind and establish dharma. The story says that there was a king, King Arjuna, who was the ruler of Hyas, and he was a menace to his people and subjects. He was very powerful and mighty, but he wanted more. In order to increase his power, he propitiated Lord Dattatreya to become invincible. After that, he became mightier, stronger, very powerful, and created havoc in his kingdom and other areas. So his men and the Devtas and everybody were very concerned. They went to Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu said, "I'm there. I'll save all of you." In the meantime, in the house of Jamadagini and his wife Renuka had 5 sons. Out of that, the youngest was Rama. Rama's father and mother were very devoted. They did lot of penance. He comes from a family of all the rishis, the Saptrishi, Bhrigu. He was surprised that out of all the sons, Rama was all the time playing with weapons. One day, Rama asked his father and took his permission to go and do penance on the mountain. He said he will worship Lord Shiva. The father agreed and he worshipped there for a long time. When Lord Shiva came in front of him and said, "What do you want, my child? I'll fulfill your wish." He said, "I want the fiery weapon which you have," and the name of it was Parshu. Lord Shiva gave him his name changed from Rama to Parshuram, and that made him invincible. Already he was very powerful and mighty. He was a very obedient son. Once, in order to test, his father told him, "Kill your mother. I've made all your brothers insane." As he was obedient, he killed them. Then the father was pleased and he said, "Ask for a boon and I'll fulfill your wish." He said, "Make them alive." So again his mother and brothers were alive. This is how he was such an obedient boy. In the meantime, King Arjuna went to the ocean and he was killing all the creatures of the ocean when a deep voice came out from it and said, "Don't kill the creatures in my ocean and don't fight with me. Rather, you fight with Parshuram." King Arjuna understood that someone else was more powerful than him. Now it happened that one day King Arjuna and his sons went to the house of Jamadagni and Renuka. When they reached the hermitage, that time Rama, that is Parshurama, was not at home. Seeing the king and his sons, they were very happy and pleased. They gave them a lovely feast. They were very confused. How in such a short notice they cooked so much? So Jamadagni said, "We have Kamini the cow and her calf." Now their greed increased. So the sons asked their soldiers to steal Kamini and her calf. When Parshuram came back home, he saw his father was very despondent. And the son asked the reason and came to know, so he became very angry. King Arjuna had already heard that Parshuram was invincible. He couldn't be defeated. So he arranged his army, which was in lakhs, all the Kshatriyas, and they were ready to fight. And Parshuram fought with King Arjuna and the soldiers and killed King Arjuna. After a few days, his sons came to the same hermitage, and again that time Rama was not there. He had gone to collect firewood for the house, and his sons came and killed his father Jamadagni and went away. Again when Rama came back home and saw his father Jamadagni lying in blood and his mother Renuka was crying like anything, beating her breast, he got very angry and he went and started fighting. Soon he was able to kill his sons as well as all his soldiers, all the Kshatriyas. In fact, he became so merciless that he killed almost 21 generations of the Kshatriyas. Seeing this, Mother Earth came to Rishi Kashyap and said, "Stop him from killing because his work is over and let him cool down." So Rishi Kashyap came and asked Parshuram to stop killing. So after a few days, Parshuram went back to his hermitage and he did sacrifices and he invited all the Brahmins and gave away whatever he had. That time Drona had not come, but when all Lord Vishnu came as Parshuram and saved mankind and established Dharma. He is the sixth incarnation of the